Hi, dear students, how are you? Today we're going to talk about the PMT function, so please pay attention. Payment function. As we remember in class, I gave you how to calculate the PMT if we have some values here according to our question. So here I'm going to tell you that the value of a house that I want to buy is $500,000. If you're going to pay it in cash, there will be no problem. You don't need to calculate the payment, just pay the $500,000 and that's it. But if we don't have this money, we need to go for a loan. And this loan is going to be from a bank or another source of money payments, funding. So I need some policies that the bank will give it to me. The first thing, our bank for the loan, he said that I'm going to give you an interest rate. If you're going to loan from me, that means I'm going to put an interest rate, it's 8%, and the number of period will be 30. But this is in year, and my payments must be in months. So what do I need to do first? I need to multiply the years by number of months for every year. I have 360 installments or months. Now, how do I calculate the payments? Because this is in year and this is in months, that means they are not even. I'm going to go for PMT, and the first thing I need rates, and they are not even. I need to divide by 12, comma, do I have number of period? Yes, I have number of period, comma, what else do I have? Do I have the PV? Yes, I have the PV. Do I have a future value? Do I have a type? No. Just close the bracket and press enter. Now, as I can see, this is the amount that I need to pay every month for my so to buy the house by a loan. Now, what is the total? The total is, this is for a month. I have 360 months, so I need to multiply the amount for 1 month by the number of installments or payments. Now, this is the amount of that I need to pay, the value of the house after 360 months or 30 years. And what is the difference? The difference is how much I have overloaded the price, the value of the house after 30 years. So how do I calculate it? Equal this one, sorry, equal the value of the house plus again, sorry, this is another function. I need to just this one plus the total, and I can see that $820,776 is the overloaded over the value, the real value of the house after 30 years. This is also an easy one. As I can see, I have another example for car, buying a laptop, or I have a loan. These these are examples of how to calculate the PMT